build packs. If you're thinking about buying a build pack, or if you don't know what a build pack is, you might want to watch this because I'm about to explain in full detail what a build pack actually involves. I sell build packs. Build packs are for sale on my website at www.oakwoodgardenrooms.com. If you look under the self-build option, there's a drop down there and there's 13 different sizes which you can buy. So the generic sizes, each pack contains enough information to build that size and a teeny little bit more as well with the materials list. But you can adapt it to suit you. It keeps all the full details for 3 metre bifold doors as well. So if you don't know, if you've been umming and ahhing about building one of yourself and you're not sure you can do it yourself, then a build pack's the ideal way to go. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put you on some reviews rather than watching my face while I'm talking. You can listen to me talking and read the reviews that are from real people that have actually bought the build packs. I've got a Facebook group as well. Everybody who's bought one seems to be on the Facebook group. They're building them to a high quality of standard, and they're obviously following the instructions which seem from the reviews to be absolutely bang on and easy to follow. So the build pack, what does it involve? It involves step-by-step process right from the start, setting out, putting your rods in, right from building your base, and it goes all the way through every single process right to the very end. There's 40 pages in each pack. There's loads of diagrams, loads of text, and there's also a full materials list as well. I give you full, there's a I can't remember off the top of my head now. Right, there's a full materials list as well. Everything you need from the timber pack right up to the consumables like screws and stuff like that. I actually give you the code numbers for Toolstation as well. So they're £96, which includes VAT. So if you think, oh, £96 for a build pack, well, just wait a minute and I'll explain why it's well worth that £96. For you to sit down and work out exactly how much materials you need and to be as bang on as what these packs are is going to take you hours and hours. So £96 is going to save you time alone just in working out your materials. It will also save you money in materials that you buy that you don't actually need. The build packs are pretty much bang on for the materials, as you can see by the reviews. I'll just drop another review in there explaining that. You'll have very little wastage. So if you feel like you can build one of these at home yourself, and if you've got DIY skills, there's no reason why you can't build one yourself. You'll save an absolute fortune because obviously labour and stuff like that, you'll be doing it yourself. And you can build it to the same quality which we do. There's nobody else building them to these qualities. I obviously look at other people's quality they're doing and see what they're doing and seeing if I can improve my own, and nobody's doing the same as us. They're leaving 600 centres, they're not putting noggins in, they're using rock wool instead of PIR insulation. Different bases, 22mm Aga protects flow. I mean, Adam will show you now. This is 22mm. It's got about 3-4 mil of ice on top of it there. It's good for 6 weeks out in the weather. That's what we use. We build it right. We build it to last. You might want to build your own base, concrete base. That's absolutely fine, but you can still modify the pack to suit that. So if you're interested in one, jump on my website. I'll get back to you within 48 hours. I'd imagine you'll get your build pack sent to you, and then you can jump on my Facebook group as well, upload images. There's loads of people on there. I think we've got 8,500 members on Facebook now. Like I say, loads of people are actually building to my spec on there, and they're doing an absolute fantastic job. So build pack, get yourself a build pack. We're all at home now. We've made us stay at home again, so you know it's not looking like you're going to go on holiday this year, so now's the perfect time to spend some money on your house, spend it on your garden, work from home, home office, home bar, home gym, whatever you want to use it for. All the details are there in the pack. Okay, so they're at oakwoodgardenrooms.com. There's a drop down menu like I says, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. Thank you.